Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Chris. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I've been spending a lot of time in online groups lately, and I wanted to share my experiences with you. Do you join many online communities?
Yes, I do. I'm a member of a photography group on Facebook and a language exchange group on WhatsApp. These groups help me learn new skills and meet people from different countries. How about you, Anna?
I joined an online cooking group on Instagram and a travel tips group on Facebook. I love learning new recipes and getting advice on planning trips from people who share my interests.
That sounds very interesting. In my photography group, members share their photos and give each other advice on lighting, composition, and editing. I learned a lot about how to take better pictures just by reading their posts and watching short videos.
I know what you mean. In the cooking group, I have seen many short recipe videos and step-by-step posts. One member showed how to make a simple pasta dish, and it looked so delicious that I tried it at home.
Online groups are great because they give us access to real-life experiences. In the language exchange group, we sometimes have voice or video calls to practice speaking. I feel that these sessions have really improved my confidence.
I agree completely. It's amazing how we can connect with people from around the world and learn from each other without leaving our homes. I often comment on posts in my travel group and ask questions about destinations I want to visit.
Yes, asking questions is very useful. For example, I once asked the photography group, "What is the best time of day to take landscape photos?" And several members replied with their tips. It really helped me plan my next photo shoot.
That's a good example, Chris. In my cooking group, I asked for advice on how to make a cake softer. Many members shared their secret tips, like adding yogurt or using oil instead of butter. I tried it and the cake was much better.
It feels great when you get helpful advice from a community. I also like that these groups allow you to share your own ideas. I sometimes post my photos and ask for feedback, and people are always kind and encouraging.
Absolutely. Sharing experiences online makes you feel supported. I posted a picture of a dish I cooked last week, and one member even sent me a detailed comment on how to improve my plating. It made me feel proud and motivated to try new recipes.
I believe that learning together creates a strong bond. In the language group, we celebrate each other's progress. When someone learns a new word or phrase, we cheer them on. It makes the whole experience very positive.
Yes, and it also helps that these groups are very flexible. I can log in at any time, read posts, watch videos, and even join live sessions. It fits perfectly with my busy schedule.
I agree. I use my phone and computer to check the groups whenever I have a break during work. Sometimes I even set aside 15 minutes a day to participate actively, like sharing a photo or replying to a question.
That's a great idea. I think small daily interactions add up over time. I often save interesting posts or recipes to read later, and I find that it inspires me to try new things.
Also, the diversity of these groups is amazing. In the photography group, I have members from many different countries. They share photos of different landscapes, city life, and even unique cultural events.
That's one of the best parts of online communities. In my travel group, I see pictures and travel tips from people who have visited places I never knew existed. It broadens my horizons and gives me ideas for future trips.
I remember one member posted about a hidden beach in their country, and it looked so beautiful that I added it to my travel list. It is great to learn about off the beaten path places from real experiences.
Yes, those personal stories make the information more trustworthy. When you see someone sharing their own travel story or cooking experience, you feel more confident to try it yourself.
I agree. And sometimes the group discussions become very lively. I have joined video calls where members discuss a specific topic, like new photography techniques or language learning tips. It's like having a mini class online.
That sounds fun. I attended a live cooking session in my group once. The chef prepared a dish in real time, and we could ask questions. It was very interactive and made me feel like I was learning in a real class.
Online live sessions are very helpful. They allow you to see how things are done and ask questions immediately. I think that type of interaction is one of the best features of modern technology.
I completely agree. Technology has made it possible for us to learn, share, and connect with others all over the world. It is not just about reading or watching, it is about participating actively.
Yes, and it shows that we are not alone. Even if we have a unique hobby, there is always a group of people out there who share the same interest. It makes learning more fun and less isolating.
Do you ever feel overwhelmed by too many posts or messages in the groups? Sometimes I get a lot of notifications, and it is hard to keep up.
Occasionally, yes, I try to manage it by setting quiet hours on my phone, so I don't get too many alerts. I check the groups at specific times, like in the morning and evening. That way I can read and respond without feeling overwhelmed.
That is a good strategy, Chris. I also mute some groups and only read them later. It helps me focus on what is important.
It's all about finding a balance. Online groups are wonderful, but we need to manage our time and energy too.
Exactly. I believe that with the right balance, these groups can really help us grow. They make learning enjoyable, and I feel more confident in my skills because of them.
I feel the same way. I have learned many new techniques and have made friends from different parts of the world. Sharing ideas and experiences has become a part of my daily routine.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Chris. Talking about our online group activities makes me appreciate the power of technology and community.
Thank you, Anna. I enjoyed our chat very much. It reminds me that learning and connecting with others online is not only fun, but also very rewarding.
Let's keep in touch and share any new interesting posts or ideas we find. I look forward to more discussions like this.
I would love that, Anna. I'll send you a message when I find a new tutorial or an interesting discussion topic in our groups.
Perfect. Have a great day, Chris, and happy learning online.
You too, Anna. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Chris.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.